The Gang's arm is just inches away from those sharp shards of glass. And the WWE Champion.
Triple H just shifted into another gear.
And now Khali is inches away from those shards of glass himself.
Close, oh, close.
Oh, come on.